Is your WLM Wi-Fi extender acting up? Maybe it won't connect, you've forgotten the password, or it's just stuck. A factory reset will wipe all its settings and start fresh. Let's get it done in under a minute. Step 1. Locate the reset button. In WLM range extender, WPS button also work as reset button. Step 2. Power on extender. First, plug in extender device to power socket and turn on it. Now press WPS button for 15 seconds and watch the LED lights on the extender. They will usually all blink rapidly or turn off and then back on. This is your sign that the reset is working. Once you see this, you can release the button. The extender will now reboot itself. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Wait until the lights stabilize. A solid power light usually means it's ready. Your extender is now back to its factory default settings. This means you'll need to set it up again from scratch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.